Yeah, boy, just got some gas. About to go ride for a little bit. How's everybody's day going today? Mine's alright. Could be better, but it is what it is. Gotta keep a smile on that face. Keep going. Keep moving forward. Ain't no sense in frowning. Ain't no sense in letting anything hold you down. Keep your head up, keep moving forward, keep doing you. Make your life as good as you want it. Only you can change whether that's going to happen or not. You can be sad, you can be miserable all day long, get nothing done. Wake up the next day and feel the same way. Or put a smile on your face, get through whatever it is you're going through, and look forward to a brighter day the next day. Either way it goes, smile more. Keep moving forward. Keep positive thoughts. Keep positive people around you. Don't let negative people bring you down. Negative people only do negative things, and they affect you negatively. So always be positive and surround yourself with positive vibes, and everything will be alright. Build an exciting career. That's what I'm trying to do. So, I'll make YouTube my career. Make videos. Make cool videos. That's what I want to do. I don't want to stay at my job. That ain't what I love. I want to do something I love. And so far I really love making YouTube videos. But like all things, you get tired of it after so long. But I think I'd much rather be making YouTube videos and spending time behind a computer editing them, making them different in each different way, and be happy with the outcome of learning more. I think that would be more fun than working a basic 9 to 5. Stay in their lanes. I'm passing. Oh man, this wind is moving. Yeah, I feel like the wind's gonna take me off the bike. Dun, 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 dun. I could really go for a smoothie, but I ain't got nowhere to put it, and I don't feel like going in. I feel like going in. When we get up here, I'm going to try and hit some of these curvy back roads instead of the normal road I take. Quick stopping seafood. Yeah, that's where we get our crawfish sometimes. Been eating a whole lot of crawfish here lately. If you've never had crawfish, you need some crawfish in your life. Ain't nothing like some good old mud bugs. Love crawfish. I swear, I feel like Louisiana has the best food. I say that, but yet I ain't really been anywhere else really to try different foods. All I know is people from other places say that we got the best food. So I'm just like, yeah, we got the best food. But that's just my opinion. We all have our own. Man. This is the old town road right here. These roads been here for a long time. Skirt, Scoot, scoot, scoot. Oh, don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Okay, don't hit me. Good, good, good. Come on, turn. Get out the way. People are so slow. You're not even supposed to turn there anyway. What are you doing? The same thing? I'm out here. You're not gonna hold me up no more than you already have. You can't even make a left turn right there anyway. What are you looking at? I better slow down before they get me. Yeah, sheriff in the Dodge truck. He gonna come get me. I hope he don't come get me. Oh look, we got a Tahoe cop right here. I hope he don't come get me. Another Tahoe cop right here. What am I doing? 26? This is a 25, so we good. We good, we good. Yo, the sun is out. The sun is out and about. Like, it's hot. It was actually pretty warm this morning when I went to work. It's like 73, 75. I was comfortable in just a t-shirt. And had no problem with it. I tell you what, during the winter it was cold. With the wind blowing and then like driving in like shaded spots of the road. Like most of the time when I go to Hammond to meet up with everybody, I gotta take like 30-minute ride because I'm like 30 minutes from town. And man, those shaded roads, dude, just like it was always cold. It was always cold. So I'm glad it's not cold no more. They say these small bikes, these Groms aren't meant for like roads like this, 55 mile an hour, 30-minute rides. I feel like people say that because they just don't want to ride it for 30 minutes. Like, I don't know, maybe they don't really enjoy the Honda Grom for what it is. I love this thing. Like a 30-minute ride really ain't bad at all on a Grom. I mean, I can do 55. You know, I can do 60. Sometimes when the wind's not blowing directly at me, going uphill. Every time I'm going uphill and the wind's blowing at me, then it's like I could barely do 55, 60. But now the easy fix for that would be a big bore kit. Yeah, then I do about 85, whatever other mods that go with it. Yeah, got 1,900 miles on this bad boy, and I got it in what, early March, late February, something like that. Yeah, you like the Grom, don't even front. I know you like. Everybody likes the Grom. Like, I don't care what they say. How do you not like it? Make a little video just to kind of say what's up to everybody. Let y'all know what I'm up to today and what I got going. We got the Tennessee trip coming soon. Coming up in a couple weeks. Smoky Mountain Bass. Hopefully get to run into some other vloggers up there. I think I'm gonna meet up with Attention Deficit. I think I'm gonna see him there. Hopefully I'll see Photogrammer and Full of Grommy Bear and everybody else that I watch. I know a lot of people are going to the the Alabama ride. Not quite sure what the name of it is though. But I know a lot of the people are going to that. Everybody I'm going with is going to the Smoky Mountain Bass, ride the tail of the dragon. We've never been, so it'll be a pretty cool experience. Hopefully it's not like a race around it. Hopefully everybody's just cruising and having a good time and stopping off at the stop points and hanging out, chilling. I'm ready for it. I know we're leaving Wednesday to go Sunday we're gonna head back. I don't even know how far the trip is. I think it was like 9.5 hours from here. I think. But we got, it's gonna be me, Cody, with the orange and white Grom. Well, from all my videos it's been orange. Right now it's like orange and white. James, the high vis yellow or whatever color it is, lime yellow, I don't know, we call it high vis. His bike, the big board kit. Cody's got the big board kit on his too now. Logan's going. Logan's got the blue bike, the blue Grom. Billy's got the red and white. Almost everybody, well not, I say almost everybody, not really. Me, Cody, and Billy got our bikes pretty much set up for stunts, although we hadn't really gotten good at them yet. So we got the subcage on them and all that good stuff. Cody's gonna have fun learning wheelies again with the big board kit. When I rode James's bike, I was like, man, like you could do power wheelies probably in second and probably in third. Shit, I don't know. Might have to pop the clutch a little bit in third, but that thing is get up and go. Like, I mean, there's no slack in it whatsoever. Just hooks, go. Thing takes off like a bat out of hell. That one wasn't bad. That one wasn't bad. We carried it a little bit. Let's run back another one. Let's run another one back. Let's do another one. Hey, let's do another wheelie. Want to do another wheelie? Want to do another wheelie? Make sure nobody's behind me. Not lifting up enough. Oh well. Well, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload. Anyways, peace out. Have a good day. Bye.